First of all, I would like to say good morning teacher and good morning everyone. My name's Tang Marini and I'm 18 years old. I study English in level elementary with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm very happy to do the presentation and my topic is about Khmer New Year. Khmer New Year is a traditional ceremony in Cambodia. We celebrate Khmer New Year on 14th, 15th, and 16th of April every year. I go to my homeland in Takeo province on Khmer New Year days. I go there with my parents and we travel by motor. On Khmer New Year days, I meet my family, relatives and friends. We go to pagoda together and we take some food to give the monks to pray to our ancestors. We wear traditional clothes and we play some traditional games. We have a party, we eat delicious food, we drink Coca-Cola and beer, we sing karaoke and we dance together. I like Khmer New Year because it's happy and it's a good way to keep our culture and tradition. That's all about my presentation. Thank you teacher and everyone. If you have some questions related to my topic, you can ask me. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.